This is the first dream event. Great! I knew that groove was enough. Millionaire Fighting 2001 is about to begin. Hardcore fans have been eagerly anticipating this event, and now the waiting is finally over. Check your training. Oh man, are you ready for this? This tournament is held under the... Keep rocking, baby. I am Red Cycle. This is gonna be a match to remember. Fight! Osoi! What, you like to go? This is gonna be a match to remember. Fight! Get it on. Go for broke. Fight! What, you like to go? Big daddy. What, you like to go? Big daddy. This battle is about to explode. Fight! What, you like to call Big Daddy? Go for broke. Fight! They came out with a sneaky surprise attack at the start of the match. I am Red Cycle. This battle is about to explode. Fight! What, you like to go big? What, you like to go big? This is gonna be a match to remember. Fight! Go for broke. Fight!
Red Cycle.
This battle is about to explode. Fight! They came out with a sneaky surprise attack at the start of the round. What we like to call Big Go for broke. Fight! What we like to call Big Death. Wait a second. A new opponent has interrupted the tournament.
I am Red Cycle.
From death.
Go for broke. Fight!
Why not me?
This is the fight. This is what. This is gonna be a match to remember. Fight! Go for broke. Fight!